Yeah. So rearrange English workshop. Now we see sub question 1. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. So these words are jumbled, but ये सारे words कहाँ पे है? ये poem में occur हुए हैं. So what would be the first one? Miracles, right? समझा? What would be the second one? Wisdom. समझा? Wisdom. Third one, courage. Perfect. So you need to write such things. 3 अपन करते हैं, बाकी के आप होमवर्क में करो, ठीक है? फोर्थ वन भी एक देख लेते हैं. चल, what can be the fourth one? Surprises. ठीक है? Clear? Okay. Rest of them would be a homework. Next, write 2 words from the poet that describe the following. तो sky को क्या describe कर रहा है?
Stardust.
Perfect. So sky को क्या describe कर रहा है? Stardust. Stardust is the word which describes the sky. What is the second one? Heart. Nurturing. Perfect. Hand.
Aging.
So the adjectives which are given to describe the words you need to write. So 3 we have discussed. The rest of 2 would be a homework. Clear? Okay. Say why. Now you need to say why. Dash, the sky has a magical quality. Now why do you think the sky has a magical quality? What are the features? What are the lines which are described to make us understand? Why? थोड़ा बच्चा आपका आवाज कट हो रहा है.
To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds.
Yeah, but वही पोयम का ही पूरा लाइन उठा के नहीं लिखने का, फिर वो रॉन्ग हो जाता है. तो you need to write in your own sentence, but the line which you have picked up is perfect. That we can see angels dancing among the clouds. Then what else is given for sky?
Stardust.
The sky has a mysterious man, right? Man in the moon.
Yeah.
So the sky has mysterious man. With his belief, he made the way for the moon. Again, the sky over here, the stardust is the quality which is given. So you can write everything. Why the sky has a magical quality. Samjha bacha?
Yes.
Okay, second, even an aging hand has beauty. So what does this over here means?
It is true they are teaching.
Yeah, नहीं पर aging hand क्या है यहाँ पे? Loved ones ना. I said ना, age मतलब क्या? Aging is old and old hands मतलब क्या? जो हमारे grandparents है वो. Remember I said you? Yeah, aging is growing old. Yeah, so over here you can write that aging hand over here implies to our elders, our loved ones, from people जिनके through we get loved, and they teach us the values, they teach us teachings which are beautiful in nature. So that is why they have written even an aging hand as beauty, because they tell us from their experiences, they make us learn from their experiences. So something like this you can write. Clear, bacha? Okay. Next, we should believe that we are strong and courageous. ये line कहाँ पे बताई है? यहाँ पे से ना, यहाँ पे they have described ना that even in your bad you can find strength and courage that lies within you. Why? Because you are strong enough, you are courageous enough, and you're capable enough to set a new beginning, right? समझ रहा है बच्चा क्या लिखना है?
हाँ.
Okay. Next, make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept as a true. What are the 6 things which poet want us to accept as a true?
To love the old ones.
To believe, see ये line आप लिख सकते हो. The poet wants us to believe that we are never alone, right?
Yeah.
The poet wants us to believe that we have the strength and courage within ourselves. The poet wants us to believe that every day is a new beginning, right? So
And
तीन
this
बचा.
also, I think, when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again.
Yeah, to pick up the pieces and begin a new beginning, right? तो ये सारा आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, right? 3-4 तो अपन ने डिस्कस कर लिया. Perfect, understood?
Okay.
Okay. Next, find from the poem positive qualities to fill the web. The positive qualities कौन कौन से आप लिख सकते हो from the poem? Okay. So we have seen which one?
Nurturing heart.
पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज बचा. नर्चरिंग हार्ट क्वालिटी नहीं बन जाता ना. क्वालिटी मतलब क्या? इफ यू आर स्ट्रेंथ, इफ यू हैव स्ट्रेंथ, इफ यू हैव करेज, तो ये सारे आपके क्वालिटी बन गए. विजडम है, पता है यहाँ पे विजडम दिया है, फिर यहाँ पे ये है सी स्ट्रेंथ है, करेज है. सो ये सारे क्वालिटीज बन जाते हैं. समझा? टू वैल्यू, लव, वंडर, these all are the qualities. Next, read the lines above. To believe is to see angel dancing among the clouds. Now, Bata, do you have any idea what is figures of speech? Figures of speech क्या होता है बच्चा? या कौन कौन से होते हैं? We have simile, metaphor, personification, epigram. याद है? Onomatopoeia.
Yeah.
Okay. इसके ऊपर we will do a detailed lecture. तो आपको फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच सारे आ जाएंगे. बट आज के लिए ये पोयम में कौन सा दिया गया है? पर्सोनिफिकेशन. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पर्सोनिफिकेशन? व्हेन अ नॉन ह्यूमन बीइंग, ओके, अ नॉन ह्यूमन बीइंग इज गिवन अ ह्यूमन क्वालिटी. ठीक है, अभी ये लाइन देखो आप. टू बिलीव इज टू सी एंजल्स डांसिंग अमॉन्ग द क्लाउड्स, राइट? तो यहाँ पे नॉन ह्यूमन क्या हो गया? एंजल्स. that doesn't exist, right? and उसको कौन सा human quality दिया है? डांसिंग का, राइट? डांसिंग क्या ह्यूमन क्वालिटी है ना, ह्यूमंस डांस करते हैं. और किसको दिया है? नॉन ह्यूमन बीइंग को. तो कौन नॉन ह्यूमन बीइंग है? एंजल्स. समझा?
Yeah.
So that becomes personification. When a non-human being is given a human characteristics like dancing, then that becomes personification. What do you mean by epigram? दो figures of speech यहाँ पे दिए हैं, personification और epigram. So what do you mean by epigram? Epigram is C, lines in poetry such as the above, this one. To believe is to know that life is a gift. Every day is a new beginning. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. तो ये सारे lines में क्या है? See, it states a general truth and can be used as a saying or can be used as a quote, right? कि ये general truth है, ये सच्चाई है, पर इसको आप कैसे यूज कर सकते हो? एज अ सेइंग आप यूज कर सकते हो, या एज अ कोट यू कैन यूज इट, राइट? To believe is to know that life is a gift. You can use it as a saying or you can use it as a quote. And you know it is a truth, right? That life is actually a gift which is gifted to us. So with a thing which is a truth and which is used as a saying or as a quote, then such sentences become epigram. Samjha?
Yes.
So यहाँ पे you need to write examples of epigram. The examples poem में से कौन कौन से आ जाएंगे? ये वाला लाइन देखो बच्चा. This one. It is to trust that miracle happens and dreams really do come true. So this is a fact, right? If you work hard for your life, if you work hard for something, you would definitely achieve it, right? So dreams
Yeah.
do come true, and this is again a fact, and इसको आप as a saying या as a quote आप use कर सकते हो, right?
Okay.
So this sentence becomes epigram. समझा ये पोयम के epigram के बारे में?
हाँ.
Okay. We will further do figures of speech in briefly, but आज के poem में we will only see personification and epigram. Clear बच्चा? तो
Yeah.
वैसे आपको 3 एग्जाम्पल और एपिग्राम के लिखने, कोई ऐसा स्टेटमेंट जो जनरल ट्रुथ है बट जिसको आप एज अ सेइंग या एज अ कोट भी यूज कर सकते हो. क्लियर?
Okay.
ओके, सो दिस एंटायर पार्ट वुड बी योर होमवर्क. जो सारा अपन ने डिस्कशन किया ना अभी, दिस एंटायर थिंग वुड बी योर होमवर्क. क्लियर बच्चा? ओके, नाउ कैन यू प्लीज काइंडली स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा? ओके, सो एवरीथिंग इज अंडर. अरे ऋषभ आप हो? अरे मोतीलाल, क्या मोतीराम, कौन सा कैरेक्टर था? Yeah, I thought there is a new kid. Okay, wait.